Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to set up your LG Magic Remote as a universal remote on LG's 2015 range of TVs. This is a great feature that allows you to use your Magic Remote from your LG Smart TV with a range of connected devices, such as your set-top box for pay TV like Foxtel, a Blu-ray disc player, or your home theater system. In fact, you can select from hundreds of different brands and products. It's a huge list, so there's a good chance one of your nearby devices is compatible. It's easy to set up and you'll be up and running in a couple of minutes. First, you'll want to open the device connector. To do this, click the Home button on your LG Magic Remote to bring up the app launcher. Scroll to the right until you find the device connector in your list of apps. Click on the device you want to connect. First, you'll be asked what kind of device you're connecting. It might be a Blu-ray or DVD player, or even a home theater system or sound amplifier. The next step is to select which input that device is connected to. You'll see a full list of inputs to choose from. After that, you'll just have to select the manufacturer of your connected device from a list of popular brands. You'll be able to test a few different codes to isolate the exact one for your device. Once that's done, universal control is set up and you're ready to go. You can repeat the process for different devices on different video inputs on your LG Smart TV with WebOS. As you can see, it's really easy to get universal control up and running. This really is a time-saving feature. Think of all those years you won't spend searching for remote controls.